So I'm just testing out the electric gearbox on my 1965 Evinrude Starflite 90S. At the moment I've got the forward coil activated, which is the that lead there. So just give it a spin over and see what we get. So that's forward gear. Now disconnect. So we've got neutral. Okay, that's neutral. And now I've just connected up the reverse coil, and there was a little spark there suggesting that the coil is activating, but unfortunately the clutch unit doesn't seem to be doing very much. So here we go. Yeah, so it's dragging round, but it's not really locking up. So it seems like that clutch unit down there for the reverse coil is not really doing very much. But yeah, there's a little spark there, so it's drawing current, which means that the coil's working, but the clutch unit is not, unfortunately. So this gearbox has got to it's going to need to come apart because it needs all new seals in it, and I guess that's going to be the opportunity to try and check the function of that clutch unit and get it working properly.